Do you want to know the secret to making restaurant-style chicken enchilada soup at home? It's a really easy recipe, so let's make some. I'm Alexis. I make easy recipes for busy moms, and today I'm going to show you the super simple ingredients that go into this chicken enchilada soup recipe. It's a copycat recipe that I love. It's easy step by step, and then I'm going to show you how to serve it just like they do in the restaurants. Here's what you actually need to make the soup: chicken stock, shredded cheese, a pound of chicken breasts, some red enchilada sauce, a cup of Masa Harina, and a few spices. Step number 1, let's cook the chicken. Okay, the first thing we need to do is preheat a heavy pot and season some chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Once the pot is hot, you can add a little neutral flavor cooking oil. All right, time to add the chicken to the pot. Cook the chicken thoroughly on both sides and flip it halfway through. And while the chicken is cooking, you can assemble the rest of your ingredients. So Masa Harina is the thickening agent that's gonna give some body to this soup. You can find it in the flour section of your grocery store, but you're gonna add 1 cup to a big bowl and then stir in about 2 cups of chicken stock. All right, after the chicken has cooked on both sides and it's nice and golden brown, you're gonna take it out and set it aside. Then we're going to add our chicken stock and some of our other ingredients. From here, we're going to add in the other 6 cups of chicken stock and stir that really well so we can get all those good brown bits from browning the chicken off the bottom of the pot. Now add in that Masa Harina mixture. I like to pour it over a spoon so that it doesn't splatter. And then you're going to do your 10 ounces of red enchilada sauce and our spices. So I have the 2 teaspoons of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of cumin, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Stir everything in really well. We're going to bring this up to a low bubble and let it cook for about a half an hour. While it's cooking, you're going to shred your chicken. From here, this is about preference. I like it shredded. If you would rather just take a knife and dice it up into some small cubes, that's fine too. Once you have finished shredding or dicing that chicken, you can go ahead and add that back into the soup. Everything has come together. All of our nice warm spices are smelling great. The chicken is back in there. It's cooked for a while, so we're gonna add the cheese. So I'm gonna do about half a cup of Monterey Jack and half a cup of cheddar. And then the rest we're gonna use to put on top when we serve. Go ahead and shut off the heat, stir that in. Keep stirring until the soup has completely incorporated, but you're in the home stretch. So we're gonna get this in a bowl and then top it with my favorite toppings. So I love these tri-colored tortilla strips. It's exactly how they serve it in the restaurant. And then a nice good layer of cheese on top, it's good to go. So just be careful when you go to take that first bite, because straight out of the pot, it's gonna be burn your mouth hot. See the cheese. It's just like the restaurant. I love it.